Hello students and welcome to another science online class. This is video number 12 for the topic coordinated functions of the human organ system. So let's discuss the homostasis and coordination of the organ systems. Homostasis is a state reached when each part of the body functions in the equilibrium with every other part. This is attained through the regulation of the bodily functions by the endocrine and nervous system. Nervous to endocrine. The hypothalamus is located in the brain and controls the release of hormones from pituitary gland. It is an important link between the endocrine and the nervous system. Diba? Pinag-usapan natin na ang pituitary gland is the master gland. Now, this is one way to exhibit the wonders of homeostasis in terms of temperature regulation. So, temperature regulation is an example in which the nervous system and the endocrine system work together to maintain your body temperature within the range that is healthy for your cells. So, as you can see on the illustration, thermostat in the hypothalamus in the brain will go to the effector nerves and then endocrine gland effectors. So after that, no, it will go to the adrenal medulla and then adrenaline and then increase the blood supply of the supply to the muscles. On the other hand, the thyroid gland produces thyroxine and then increase the rate of cell metabolism. So it influences our body temperature. The insulin feedback mechanism, where it is something to do with the liver and the pancreas. So glucagon is produced if blood sugar level is too low, while insulin is produced if the blood sugar level is too high. Feedback mechanism, it is the process through which the level of one substance influences the level of another substance. High levels of one hormone may inhibit the production of another hormone. So, nagkakaroon ng effect ang production ng isang substance or production ng isang hormone sa isa pang hormone. The flight or fight responses ay ito, no? So, look at, as you can see in the illustration, it is coming from the hypothalamus. So, on the other part of the illustration where it activates the sympathetic nervous system, okay, so where it activates the adrenal medulla, di ba? Adrenal cortex, and then impulses activate glands and smooth muscles. So, what are the effects? The effects is neural activity combines with hormones in the bloodstream constitute flight or fight response. So, kaya parang may bigla tayong lakas, no? On the other part of the hypothalamus, ito yung flight or fight response. It activates the adrenal cortical system, CRF, pituitary glands, its hormones ACTH, and it arrives at adrenal cortex and releases approximately 30 hormones. So, it will go directly to the bloodstreams and magkakaroon ng epekto sa tao, no? Para kumilos agad. Hormone control in terms of male reproductive is this, no? FSH promotes the activity of Sertoli cells, which nourish developing sperm and are located within the seminiferous tubules. LH regulates Leydig cells, which secrete testosterone and other androgen hormones, which in turn promote spermatogenesis. Testosterone regulates the production of GnRH, FSH, and LH through negative feedback mechanism. So, lahat ng nasa narrative na yan ay summarized by the illustration dito sa side na ito, where FSH, LH, and GnRH affects the secretion of testosterone and other androgen hormones in male.